we're going to have a look at how to open an existing workbook, close a workbook, and open a new workbook. On a standard keyboard, you have the modulator keys, Control in the left-hand corner here, and you have one towards the right-hand side. So let's hold down the Control button and press O, and that opens up the dialog box where you can simply click on the file that you want, and it opens up a new workbook. To close this workbook, the shortcut is Ctrl W, and that simply closes down a workbook. Now, if you want to open up a new workbook, then simply press once again the Control and N button for new, Control N, and that opens up a new workbook for you. As you can see, you can rename it right here. Let's close this back down, and once again Control W to close it back down, and we're back to our main sheet. Navigating through your workbook, what you need to do is perhaps you want to go to the other sheets, and instead of clicking, there is a shorter, easier way to do this. Now on the keyboard you have page up and a page down, and what we're going to use as a shortcut is hold down once again Control and the page down. So Control and page down, and that's going to simply take you to the next sheet, sheet 2, and press that once again and it goes to sheet 3. Now if you press page down again, it doesn't move because it's come to the end of the range. So to go back, we go to Control and page up, and that brings us to sheet 2 and back to the main sheet. Other useful shortcuts are when you want to save a sheet, what you need to do is Control and once again S to save a workbook. Now that's saved already up here. If you are in Microsoft 365, then if you have the autosave button on, this will automatically save, but if you don't have that, you can then use Control S to save your workbook. To print, once again Control P. Once you open, you have the dialog box here, and you can change the settings over here to print your sheet. And lastly, what we'll have a look at is maximizing and restoring a window, and the shortcut is Control, and the F buttons are at the top here. So we're going to click onto Control and F10, and that minimizes our window, and to bring it back to restoring it into the same size as we had before, Control and F10 once again. To minimize the workbook down to your Windows tray, Control F9, that minimizes it down to the bottom, and now you can see we have this sheet back up. Now if you want to move between workbooks very easily, you need to use the Windows shortcut, which is Alt and Tab. So you have an Alt button here on the left of the spacebar and the right of the spacebar, and you have a Tab button up here. So we're going to hold down the Alt button, press the Tab button. Now you can see that you have all the windows coming up. Now we are on the sheet which is highlighted here in purple. To move through the sheets, you just keep holding onto the tab and pressing the tab, hold the Alt, press the tab, and move along to the different windows that you want. So let's just go and press OK, and you're back to the main sheet.